AI to get cheap flight ticket. AI to get cheap flight tickets. Beginner level. Introduction. AI for finding cheap flight tickets refers to using artificial intelligence to analyze flight data and help users find the lowest prices and best travel deals. Flight prices change frequently based on demand, time of booking, season, airline pricing strategies, seat availability. AI helps travelers find cheaper flights, predict price changes, choose the best booking time, compare multiple options instantly. Examples of AI in flight booking include price prediction tools, fare alerts, smart search engines, travel recommendation systems. This topic helps beginners understand how AI improves travel planning and saves money. What is AI for cheap flight tickets? It is the use of AI systems to analyze flight data and suggest the cheapest options. In simple words, AI flight search equals a smart system that finds the cheapest flights for you. A beginner-level system includes flight search, price comparison, price prediction, alerts for deals, route optimization. Why AI is important for flight booking. Flight prices are dynamic, change frequently, complex, many factors involved, hard to track manually. AI helps by checkmark tracking prices automatically, checkmark predicting future price trends, checkmark suggesting best booking time, checkmark comparing thousands of flights instantly, checkmark saving time and money. Key features of AI flight systems. Feature purpose. Price prediction forecast ticket prices. Fare alerts notify when prices drop. Route optimization suggest cheaper routes. Price comparison compare airlines. Booking timing suggest best time to buy. Example flight data. AI systems analyze data like flight_data equals route Toronto to New York. Price 300. Demand high. Days_before_departure 20. Closing curly bracket. Simple price prediction example. Price equals 300. Demand equals high. If demand equals high. Print. Price may increase. Else. Print. Price may decrease. How AI finds cheap flights. Step 1. Collect flight data. AI collects data from airlines, travel websites, historical price data, booking trends. Example. Price equals 250. Days_left equals 30. Step 2. Analyze price patterns. AI detects patterns in pricing. Example. If days_left less than 10. Print. Prices usually increase. Step 3. Predict future prices. AI predicts whether prices will go up or down. Example. Predicted_price equals price plus 50. Print. Predicted price. Quote. Predicted_price. Step 4. Suggest best option. AI recommends when to book. Example. If predicted_price greater than price. Print. Book now. Else. Print. Wait for better price. Step 5. Send alerts. AI notifies users of price drops. Example. Price_drop equals true. If price_drop. Print. Alert. Price dropped. Quote. I in price prediction. Price equals 200. Predicted equals 250. If predicted greater than price. Print. Buy now. I in fare alerts. Price_drop equals true. If price_drop. Print. Cheap flight available. I in route optimization. Routes equals direct 400. 1 stop 250. 2 stops 200. Closing curly bracket. Best equals min. Routes. Key equals routes.get. Print. Cheapest route. Quote. Best. I in booking timing. Days_left equals 5. If days_left less than 7. Print. Prices may increase soon. Full menu-based AI flight system. Python. Def search _ flights. Route equals input. Enter route. Quote. Print. Searching flights for. Route. Def predict _ price. Price equals float. Input. Current price. Quote. Prediction equals float. Input. Predicted price. Quote. If prediction greater than price. Print. Book now. Else. Print. Wait. Def route _ option. Direct equals int. Input. Direct flight price. Quote. 1 _ stop equals int. Input. 1 stop price. Quote. If 1 _ stop less than direct. Print. Choose 1 stop flight. Else. Print. Choose direct flight. Def fare _ alert. Drop equals input. Price dropped? Yes, no. Quote. If drop equals yes. Print. Book now. Quote. Else. Print. Wait for better deal. While true. Print. N1. Search flights. Print. 2. Predict price. Print. 3. Route option. Print. 4. Fare alert. Print. 5. Exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. Quote. If choice equals 1. Search _ flights. If choice equals 2. Predict _ price. If choice equals 3. Route _ option. If choice equals 4. Fare _ alert. If choice equals 5. Break. Else. Print. Invalid option. Concepts learned from this topic. Checkmark data analysis. Checkmark prediction systems. Checkmark optimization. Checkmark decision making. Checkmark automation. Real life analogy. AI flight systems are like a smart travel agent who tracks all flight prices, predicts price changes, finds the cheapest options, alerts you at the right time, saves you money. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding real-time flight APIs, machine learning price prediction, email, SMS alerts, calendar-based price tracking, multi-city trip planning, travel recommendation system. Common mistakes beginners make. Crossmark assuming prices are fixed. Crossmark ignoring demand factors. Crossmark not considering booking time. Crossmark oversimplifying price prediction. Crossmark ignoring seasonal trends. Where AI flight systems are used. AI is used in travel websites, airline booking systems, mobile travel apps, tourism platforms. Examples include Google Flights, Skyscanner, Expedia, Kayak. Simple definition. AI for cheap flight tickets. The use of artificial intelligence to find and predict the cheapest flight options. Final summary. AI for flight booking helps users save money and time. It teaches beginners checkmark price prediction, checkmark data-driven decisions, checkmark optimization, checkmark real-world AI applications. It is a practical and widely used application of AI in travel and tourism.